If you are looking for some screen-free fun for your little one, you're going to want to check this book out. This is 100 plus mazes for kids. It's an activity book with 100 different mazes for ages 4 to 8. I'm going to tell you everything you possibly want to know about this. We're going to look through this book as well so you can see all the different mazes. This is great because you don't have to rely on a screen. And this also is just great because paper and pencil and crowns and all that stuff, we need to bring some of that back. So let's take a quick look inside here. This is what it looks like. You could do This Book Belongs To, which is nice. This also makes a really great gift. Kind of walks you through everything right over here. And then we start with the mazes. So you'll see here we got some different ones. You could turn this around if you wanted to. And you got a whole bunch of different stuff here. You got one side that's kind of straight, and this side you could turn around. I like the fact that it is nice and big. This is actually made pretty sturdy. I've gotten some of these books in the past, and the paper quality is not great. This paper quality is really good. You could use markers, crowns, coloring pencils. And then as we kind of go here, we got a couple different types of mazes. We got all sorts of stuff, and you don't have to go in any sort of order. You can just skip around. Very, very nice variety of stuff right over here to keep your little one busy. So if you are looking for a great activity book, looking for something else for them to do besides be on screens and tablets and watch TV, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the author for sending this over for review.